Hey guys,
Wow.
today is blizzard.
Oh, yeah.
Like a jump.
Hello guys, good morning. We are on our way now to Riho's grandma's house. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng lola niya because it's my birthday and they asked us to have a family dinner later in their house. I made some Valenciana and lumpia. One of their favorites. And now it's really snowing hard, so sorry for the noise. It's the noise of the snow road. She wanna get hey. Oh. Pasensya na kayo sa aking mukha ngayon kung hindi po talaga ako nakatulog ng maayos because Riho woke up in the middle of the night ng ilang beses at hindi siya agad natulog, naglaro pa siya. So this is the situation in our village starting the end of December. Usually nag-snow na nung November, nag-snow na siya konti lang, a little bit of snow, then natuna ulit, then ito na yung talagang winter is here. Pag December na, January, February, March, and sometimes until April may snow pa dito because we are living at the top of the mountain. Like, nasa taas kami kasi. Kahit i-search nyo sa Google, you search for Nagano, Ken, it's like famous of its winter season kasi maraming ski field. So, kailangan namin ng bulldozer dito para i-bulldoze yung snow. Look at that. So, pag nag-reach na ng 10 cm yung snow, kailangan i-bulldoze na siya kasi hindi mo na malalaman kung nasaan yung road at nasaan yung yung hindi dapat daanan. Although, may mga stick. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga stick na yun? Yung SPO ba? SPO? That one? That is for us to recognize driver kung nasaan lang yung road at nasaan yung bawal daanan or dangerous pa na huwag dyan pumunta kasi malalaglag ka sa bangin. Oh my goodness! What is this? So, wala. See? Meron tayong nakita dong bulldozer, meron din ditong bulldozer. At meron din tong bulldozer. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo, maraming bulldozer.
Rotary.
Maraming bulldozer dito sa winter. So, yan. Kailangan nilang i-bulldoze yan. Yun yung trabaho dito nila sa village. Kasi para may daanan kami. Kasi pag hindi binulldoze, talagang aabot ng metro-metrong toneladang snow. Tons of snow pa. And then you have to drive very slow. Sego is, I think, neutral? No, not neutral. S, eh?
No.
Putso?
D.
D?
Drive.
You're so cool. Actually, if I drive in winter, I use the S. Huh?
Slow じゃない?
The slow gear. Yeah, because para kahit hindi na ako gumamit ng brake kasi pag gumamit ka ng brake, actually doon ka pa talaga madudulas see, it's like driving very slow. So actually, dapat pag winter maaga tayong nagigising for snow shoveling, cleaning the car, and then heating the engine para uminit na before tumakbo. Okay, kailangan niyang linisin niya. Yabay na. So he has to clean it kasi abo na, dangerous po siya. Pag ito nalaglag, tumama sa ulo mo. Bagok talaga to. Hey guys! Good morning! Ohayo gozaimasu! So today it's December 16th and it's my birthday! It's Mama's birthday, Riho. And we're actually here sa bahay ng in-laws ko. And look, really, it's snowing hard outside. Like, it's a snow blizzard. Really, like, unbelievable yung snow since last night up until today. Ato 1年の遊ぼです。無理ですよ。Baba, yun